In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import your clients into the Creditfixrr Business Software. Okay, so you want to go ahead and click Import Client, and then you notice here that it says Sample Client Import File. Okay, so it's very important that you download this Sample Client Import File so that you know the exact format that's required in order to import your clients. Now, I've already downloaded it, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now, two things about this file. The only required fields in this file is the first name, last name, and email. Now, the second thing is order matters. Now, you want to make sure that the order looks exactly as this file is showing you, the sample file. So it should be first name, middle name, last name, email, etc. Okay, so I just want to point those two things out. Now, let's head back. Let me browse for this sample file. And that file is right here. And just simply click import file, import clients. And it should happen that fast.